Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Toggl. If you want to create a new project in Toggl and manage your team properly, I'll show you how step by step. So start by opening Toggl in your browser. From the left sidebar, click on Projects under Manage. Next, click the plus New Project at the top right. Now, in the pop-up window, enter your project name. This is required before you can create the project. Next, choose your project visibility. So private, only invited members can see it, or leave it visible to everyone in the workspace. Now, under invite members, type a name or email and select team members to add. This allows them to track time in the project. Down here, under access, choose the role. So here you have regular member. Regular member can track their own time, and you have project manager can manage members settings, and view all time. So choose Project Manager if you want them to create and edit assignments. Now down here, click on Advanced Options. And in here, you can customize the client, time frame, billable toggle, hourly rate, and fixed fee. So this helps with billing and reporting. Once done, click on Create Project at the bottom. And now your project is ready to use. So go to the timer, select your project, and start tracking work instantly. If you want team members to manage tasks or assignments, always assign them as project manager. And that's how you can create and set up a project in Toggl. Thanks for watching.